Are you trying to find the best air fryers on the market? If yes, you have come to the right place. The below is a list of the top 5 best air fryers on the market. Be sure to read my description if you want to learn more about the price and other details. Please subscribe and click the bell button for more update videos to the channel, and don't forget to like and comment. Consequently, let's begin the video pretty quickly. Number 1. When it comes to multi-cookers, air fryers frequently receive a poor image for being single taskers, but Instant Pot has defied the trend by incorporating air fryer capability. The Duo Crisp comes with 2 different lids, one standard Instant Pot cover for pressure and slow cooking, and another with an electric heating coil and fan for air frying, broiling, drying, and other uses. The Duo Crisp uses pressure cooking, which you are already accustomed to from using an Instant Pot. It was regarded as the top electric pressure cooker for multitasking. In my experiments, the air fryer feature produced crisp frozen fries and tender broccoli, although the tall cylindrical basket had a few minor drawbacks. In order to compensate for the limitation of horizontal space, the basket allows you to stack 2 levels of food. However, because the heat is generated from above, the food on the bottom layer is frequently less crisp than the food on the top. This is the air fryer I use the most frequently overall. It has a spot in my kitchen thanks to its adaptability. If you have an Instant Pot, you can get a 6-quart air fryer lid separately. Number 2. In most air fryers, you can only prepare one thing at a time. This compels you to use other equipment or make food in batches. By providing 2 independent fry baskets that you can set to cook at various temperatures and periods, the Ninja Foodi 2-basket air fryer solves this issue. One of our favorite features is the Smart Finish setting, which enables you to stagger the start times of each basket so that both zones cook at the same time. By matching the settings of each zone, the Match Cook feature helps you save time when cooking the same meal in both baskets. When utilizing the Ninja Foodi 2 basket, we frequently had to extend the cooking time for our recipes because the other air fryers we tried were more effective. However, the ease of cooking 2 batches at once outweighed the lengthier cook period. The Ninja Foodi was more productive while using 1 basket at a time. It was, however, still slower than other models. Your cooking times should be adjusted accordingly. Number 3. The Dash Compact Air Fryer was the air fryer we evaluated with the easiest interface. There are no buttons to press or menus to go through in the straightforward plug-and-play architecture. This makes it excellent for new users, but more experienced users might miss having presets for common food items at their disposal. It begins cooking when you set the clock to the appropriate time. Despite having a simple design and limited features, the Dash Air Fryer performed admirably in our cooking tests, producing the most flavorful broccoli. It isn't as strong as our other recommendations. The Dash unit didn't suffer from a shortage of power since it consistently achieved perfect cooking times in all tests. This small air fryer's suitability for you will depend on your needs. If you just cook for 2 people, this is a fantastic choice. The unit may be kept in a cabinet when not in use, so you might also take that into account if you have little counter space. To make meals for a larger household, though, you'll probably run into difficulty using this tiny equipment. Number 4. There are 2 basic types of air fryers, those without windows and with a drawer containing a fry basket, and those that resemble convection toaster ovens, and are actually those appliances. Even though it belongs to the latter category, the Breville Smart Oven Air isn't just following the air fryer trend. The user-friendly interface has knobs for switching between cooking modes, temperatures, and time frames. You can bake, slow cook, and braise anything in the Breville unit because it has enough space to accommodate a Dutch oven. A roasting pan, air fryer basket, broiling rack, and pizza pan are among the practical extras included with the Breville Smart Oven Air. The size and cost of the air fryer oven are its principal drawbacks. Remember that this gadget can replace your dehydrator, toaster, air fryer, and toaster oven. To put the expensive price tag into perspective, due to its roomy interior, it might potentially replace your regular oven. This also works against it because some individuals could find it excessively huge if they don't have enough counter space. Number 5. When it comes to air fryers, efficiency is key. Thus, throughout my testing, those with lengthy warm-up times lost points. With almost no warm-up time at all, the Philips Premium Digital Air Fryer exceeds expectations for efficiency. It heated up more quickly than any other air fryer I tested, taking only a few seconds. Additionally, it triumphed handily in the frozen fry test while narrowly losing to the Breville Smart Oven Air in the fresh-cut fry cook test. Although the broccoli florets dried out a little, this batch wasn't the worst and might be improved with a few recipe changes. A knob you use to cycle among presets and change your time and temperature is the user interface, which is simple to operate. The digital air fryer also includes Philips fat removal technology, which uses a hot air cyclone to remove extra oil from your meal and trap it in a base that has been specially made underneath the fryer basket. That's all from my end. I make useful videos every day, so please subscribe to my channel. Check out my description if you need more information or want to know the price of the product. Please leave a comment if you have any problems. Stay up to date on our cool products because it will make your life much easier.